Here's a question nobody was asking before AI made it unavoidable. What were code reviews actually doing? Vercel just audited their largest monorepo, over 400 pull requests a week. They found that over half of reviews produced nothing. No comments, no changes requested, just a thumbs up and move on. 18% were rubber-stamped in under 5 minutes. That's not a safety net. That's a ritual. And let's be honest, this was broken before AI showed up. Anyone who's worked on a real team knows it. PRs sitting for days, reviews that amount to a quick scroll and an approve. The process existed because the process existed. Nobody stopped to ask whether it was actually catching anything. Then AI arrived and turned the faucet to full blast. Teams using AI agents are merging 98% more PRs, but review times up 91%. PR sizes up 154%. The pipe was already clogged. AI just made it impossible to pretend otherwise. So here's where it gets interesting. Vercel didn't tell their engineers to review harder and faster. They asked a better question. Which changes actually need a human? They built a risk classifier. Auth changes, payments, security, always get human eyes. CSS tweaks, docs updates, feature flags that are turned off, verified by the system, and merged automatically. 671 PRs skipped human review. 0 were reverted. Merge time dropped 62%. Oh, and the best part? The one incident-causing rollback during the entire experiment? It was a change the classifier correctly flagged as high risk. A human reviewed it, approved it, and it broke production anyway. The machine got it right. The human waved it through. New paradigms require new systems. You cannot bolt AI onto a workflow designed for a world where humans wrote every line and then wonder why there's friction everywhere. And when you feel that friction, you have to ask, is this the brakes, or am I just grinding my gears? Because one of those keeps you safe. The other one just wears everything down. The scarce resource was never code. It was never even reviews. It's human judgment. Every hour a senior engineer spends rubber stamping a docs change is an hour they're not spending on the decision that actually needed them. Vercel freed up their reviewers, and those engineers started reaching critical PRs nearly 3 times faster. Not because they got better at reviewing, because they stopped wasting their attention on things that didn't need it. Spend it where it counts. I'm Kit Novick. Stay curious.